Unang yalam kaliang persya jong gameglia Trinamool Congress u Dr. Mukul sangma uloong bana kadaw bakani ka Sorkar kale minthi bat ka bomsngap ya kiching jong Paidbah kapelong bakin lekti jingkhang sieng kasiri ha ka jingkran menta kasngi ha ka jingi selok bak samla hamadan yorngam u Dr. Mukul sangma uloong bakayeng bisar Meghalaya High Court kalapan mi ya ka hukum kababiang ban pensangya aswa ya ka jingpentrekam ya ka MOU kabalaya soy dak Sorkar Meghalaya bat Assam ha uleber alajar RPR bat kalabat haru ba omde penpenyang mauput hakin rutli kejakaya kajam. Dr. Mukul uloong ba ulaju penpau kajing persya jur ya kajing soy MOU bat ula ai khublei ya kinong mudui mukut doma persya ya Sorkar Meghalaya namar kilaya soy MOU bat kajala Assam klem da yawer jumut lang bat kitrai khno bat ki Paidbah nong song snong khamtam ya kitu ki bana kithan khaput ha ka juga por ka AITC kan apsua namar na kilyang kiyeng kasiri kan song bisar biang halor kani.
This is the first time that the people of the state of Meghalaya have been compelled, forced to fight against its own government, contrary to the expectation with which people have elected our respective representatives. And all along, in the preceding months, we have tried to draw the attention of the government, fight on behalf of the people. Because the responsibility of the government is to protect the interests of our people. And therefore, if people have to themselves assume upon themselves the responsibility of protecting the interests of our people, then what can be more painful than this? Therefore, we'll look at as to how the whole thing unfolds in the days to come, because the hearing, overall stand of the petitioners have been that the state should be asked not to proceed further, and this very development must be an eye-opener for the people in the government, and therefore let us wait and see whether they find reason to engage in course correction in the best interest of our people who are affected. And please remember that people, when we are saying people who are affected, we are all affected, because the state is affected. They should have embarked upon this whole engagement with our counterpart was completely wrong. And therefore, everything will go wrong. There was a complete reflection of the lack of in-depth understanding about the issues pertaining to these areas of difference involving these 12 areas of difference along the Assam-Meghalaya border. And therefore, we have said that please try to have an in-depth understanding about the whole complexity of the problem that is associated with these issues, and then only embark upon this whole engagement discussion and the proposed solution.